All right. So, um, going into the day today, I was definitely bearish. I was definitely bearish. So during a London session, price respects this gap on the 15 minute. We put in SMT right here. So that would be, yeah. So right here. Wait, let me zoom out. Yeah. So on NQ, this wick takes the high right here, and you can see that we don't do that on ES. So going into it, I'm definitely bearish. And then heading towards market open, you can see that we spill. We touch midnight price and we spill. And then we retrace to this 5 minute gap, and we also have SMT up here. You can see that ES takes this high and NQ doesn't. So now I'm kind of interested. We also kind of we're kind of like respecting this 4 hour gap as well when we kind of retrace back into it. So I'm definitely bearish, but the price action honestly was really bad. Very wicky, not many fair value gaps forming on NQ. Other than these right here, like there's not really many. You have one here. You have a really small one right here. So I'll show you where I took my first trade. Honestly, it was rushed. This wasn't a good trade at all, and I got cooked like immediately, which is it makes sense. I mean, I should have been more disciplined and waited for this gap to get filled, and then for us to kind of you know um, reverse it or what am I saying, bro? I just should have waited for the gap to get filled and then kind of made a decision there. Could have took something like this, right, and then aim for that, which would have been hit, but price action has been very sloppy. Um, and then obviously we also have um, my second trade to get me to break even. This one was just based on ES going to Asia low. So this trade I took here, took something like that. And I got out when I was at break even. I'm not sure exactly where. It was like as soon as we touched here. So yeah, it was right here. This is where I got out. This was the trade for that. Not my best trading day. My bias was right. My execution was definitely not good though. So yeah. Honestly, a better one would have been as soon as we made this SMT and we respected it. Like I feel like this would have been good too, but I don't know. I'm just glad we're break even on the day. I'm not going to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow's a bank holiday, I believe. Let me actually check that. It doesn't say it here, but I know I got like a notification from Topset saying like Good Friday holiday or something like that, and like the different hours. So I'm pretty sure it's a trading holiday, and I'm also not gonna be here like at my crib, so you know. So this is what it's looking like for this week. Pretty good. I'm happy with it. Stuck to my rules. When I took this loss today, um, my execution obviously was wrong, but my bias and my setup was right. So, I'm not really I'm not really stressing about no 200. I don't really care. But I'm just glad that throughout the week stuck to my rules. Obviously this day could have been way bigger if you saw the recap. But yeah, that's pretty much the week. Yeah, pretty happy about that, to be honest. Yeah, so let's go into the back testing that I did yesterday. Alright, my back testing I did yesterday. I'm still kind of lazy with it, bro. Like I just really do not feel like doing it at all. We haven't had a losing month so far, but like it's just been lazy back testing, bro. Like I'm just kind of like going through the motions. I'm not really. It's just long, bro. Like it's just really long. It's just really annoying, to be honest. So, but it's needed. It's helped me with my trading within the day a lot. You can see our win percentage, 8 for 6, profit factor. Yeah, just climbing, bro. We're climbing. Making sure. To be honest, when I took this loss, I was kind of like, bro. But you know, I took a break, kind of did something else, came back, and found a trade to go break even off of. So that was definitely the sauce. Definitely the method. Making sure not to crash out and do some crazy stuff. Where I could have taken like a way worse loss, you know. So yeah. Overall though, as I said earlier, my bias was right. Just bad execution. We had the external and the internal SMT here. Yeah. I just wish we had better price action, but obviously we didn't. So yeah, there's nothing you can really do about that. Yeah. So that's it for today. So y'all have a blessed day.